In this video, we're going to be comparing the Rode NT1 to the Aston Origin in order to help you decide which of these microphones is right for you. Starting with the Rode NT1, this microphone retails for $269 for the 4th generation, and in the box, you're going to get the microphone, a pouch to store your microphone, an XLR cable, and a shock mount which has a built-in pop shield. Moving on to the Aston Origin, this microphone retails for $199, and in the box you just get the microphone. Unfortunately, it does not include any accessories. Nevertheless, this mic does have some unique built-in features like the mesh pop shield to reduce plosives, a pad switch which will allow you to record really loud audio sources, and a high-pass filter to roll off the low end of your recordings. When it comes to similarities, both of these microphones have a cardioid polar pattern, which means they primarily pick up sound in the front and they will reject sound coming from the back. And both are condenser microphones, which means they do require phantom power, so you will need an audio interface to power them on. Now let's do some audio tests so you can hear what both microphones sound like. You're listening to the Rode NT1 4th generation condenser microphone without any post-processing, and this is what my voice sounds like. Now you're listening to the Aston Origin condenser microphone. Once again, I don't have any post-processing, and this is what my voice sounds like. Now I have turned on the high-pass filter, so hopefully you could hear that the low-end frequencies have been rolled off. Now I have engaged the pad switch. Hopefully you can hear that the volume definitely decreased, and this will help you record really loud audio sources. I'm back at the original settings, and this is what the Aston sounds like. Breathe me in, breathe me out. I don't know if I could ever go without. Breathe me in, breathe me out. I don't know if I could ever go without. So what are my overall thoughts, and who would I recommend each mic to? Before I share it with you, I would love to hear your opinion, so let me know down below in the comments which one did you prefer and why. Also, if you enjoyed this type of content, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. First, I just want to say that I got great results with both mics, and they're going to be more than enough to handle music production, content creation, podcasting, and voiceover work. But with that being said, if you're somebody that cares about accessories, you want to make a one-time purchase and get everything you need in order to get started recording. Also, you prefer microphones with more of a neutral sound without a lot of coloration, and you're primarily going to be using the mic to record vocal applications, then I say go with the Rode NT1. However, if you're somebody that doesn't care about accessories, maybe already have your own, what you do care about is having flexibility and that built-in high-pass filter and pad switch, and you prefer microphones with more of a brighter tone to them, then I would say go with the Aston Origin. If you want to buy one of these microphones, the links are down in the description below. And if you want to watch another mic comparison, then make sure to click on this video.